dear students of class 1. How are you today? I hope you're all keeping well and are in good health. So, are you ready for a guessing game? Yes, today we are going to play the guessing game in our GK lesson. You know, on page 11 of your GK book, there's a lesson on our helpers. And that there are certain clues that are given and we have to guess the name of the helper with the help of these clues. So are you ready for the game? Great. So the first clue I'm going to give you is I grow plants and crops like rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables. Who am I? Did you guess? Yes, I'm the farmer. Yes, the farmer grows all these plants, the rice, the wheat, the pulses, the vegetables for us to eat. Isn't that so? So they are such a big help to us by providing us with the eatables. Yes. So, we should always thank our farmers for providing all these things for us. Do you do that? Great. So, the next clue I'm going to give you now is I help you get better when you fall sick. So, who am I? Yes, the doctor. You know, in these times of the coronavirus, there's so many people who are falling sick. And who's the person who's helping them get better? Yes, the doctors, the nurses. So they are such a big help to us. And we should be so thankful to them. Isn't that so? Right. So now, are you ready for the third clue? The third clue is I help in catching thieves and keeping your neighborhood safe. So who am I? That's right, I am the policeman. The policeman keeps us all safe in our houses, protects us from the thieves, from all the bad elements in the society. Isn't that so? So, policemen are also our helpers. So now get ready for the next clue. The next clue is I grow lovely flowers and take care of the plants in your houses, in your gardens, in your balconies. Who takes care of those plants? Who grows them? Yes, it's the gardener. The beautiful flowers that are growing in our garden are grown by the gardeners. And we do help to take care of the plants, but the gardeners are the people who help us take care of them. Isn't that so? So, the gardener is also another helper for us. So, are you ready for the next clue now? The next clue is I make and repair wooden objects. The wooden objects like chairs, tables, bed, door, the cupboards, all these wooden objects. Who makes them for us? That's right, the carpenter. He is called the carpenter. Will you remember this? Who makes the wooden objects, the wooden furniture for us? The carpenter. That's right. Now we go to the last clue. Ready for it? The last clue is I sweep, collect the garbage and keep your neighborhood clean. So who am I? Yes, the sweeper. The sweeper who cleans the lanes, the neighborhood, takes away our garbage. That's the sweeper. He's another very important helper. Isn't that so? Yes, we should be thankful to all our helpers, and I'm sure you can think of many more helpers like the milkman or the maid. So I want you to say a big thank you to all your helpers who help us live our life comfortably and wonderfully. Isn't that so? Great. So that's all for now. Bye bye and take care.